So guys, I couldn't afford a mic and me and my dad I thought, you know what, let me do like a plan to actually just get my mic working. So right now we're not doing much. If you're wondering, we're just setting up GTA 5. My GTA doesn't want to play for some reason. I don't know why it doesn't want to play, so we're setting it up. Other than that, so this is the setup right here. Is two like, it's just like two planks mixed together with a bolt that goes all to the other side like this, so it can bolt like it can go. So the weight was actually way too much, so I had to like put this is so when like you're turning this thing down like this, you can actually hook it up here. But right now everything seems to be like good like this. It was hooked up, but I figured out maybe let me do this a bit. So my dad thought, you know what, I said the plank looks nice, but my dad said let me wrap it up. He wanted to wrap it, so I let him wrap it because he was just having fun with it. So this is the mic right here, so we can do anything as far as like coming like this actually. But yeah, it was fun to make this because I had a whole plan. Give me a so I couldn't find a plan, but I found this. This is a sheet of all GTA San Andreas of real cars. Like the Alpha is the 1991 Dodge Stealth. But bro, it's crazy because I'm looking at this is my school handwriting when I'm writing things at school, and this is how I write things to myself actually, bro. You can, bruh. Yeah, that look cool as a. But other than that, thank you what y'all think. Tell me what y'all think of this mic. I know y'all gonna probably like, dude, you have two keyboard. One keyboard is probably like one equivalent to like one mic. The thing is, this was bought 3 years ago. 3 years before I even. No, is it 3 years or 4 years? I think it's 4 years before I even had a PC. I was banking for a PC for like 8 years or something like that, close to 8 years. So I bought the keyboard first actually, so to have something that will give me faith, because the way things were set up for me, I was in no way close or incapable of getting actually a PC, bro. My life, like no one in my family even has a PC like that. So really it was like hard, so I had to buy a keyboard. This keyboard motivated me that you should keep going. At least now you have something that you can hold off. And even the mic, it was unbelievable to get a mic. Now maybe one day we will get a mic, but right now we're gonna be tagging it up with this, you feel me? But bro, it's cool cause look, it can actually turn like that, you feel me? When I'm not like, let's say when I'm editing, you feel me? When I'm editing, I just move this away, bro. I just move this away like that. Move this back, and bro, it's just cool. And it was fun making it with my dad, of course. But other than that, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I'ma catch you next time, man. Peace out.